Hello everyone. So here we are with part 2 of doing our little journal thing, or not journal thing, ATC holder or business card holder or whatever you may call it. Give me 1 second. Okay. Relief. So I'm just looking at my different pieces here, seeing what I have. This is kind of pretty. We'll use this. Now this is what I do. You don't necessarily need to do it. I do it so then again, it's a way of making sure things look a little bit more secure. Especially in these spaces where you know it's bending and that type of thing. I think washi tape works way better than using regular or paper or something else, just because it's more flexible. And you can add some art glitter glue and whatnot to it. I just am choosing not to. But again, this just gives it a little added to it. I'm just trying to line these up, or line this up a little better to this part. I didn't get these ends, which I think I should have, honestly, but I didn't do it. So, with my other one, I only got the curves. Good enough. Again, I think it just gives each piece away, making sure that they are the way they should be. All right. I'm doing it the same way Shabby Dabby Doodah does it, and just cuts across here. And voila, we got it the size we want it. I'm just finding it might be a little bit easier to glue on. And I forgot one spot, so I'm going to quickly add a piece to this one spot here. I added one to that one spot and thought it was this spot. Gotta love when you make funny mistakes. Like that. Then I take my Fabri-Tac here and glue it on. All right. Let's get this piece going. All right. Double check, make sure it's gonna fit okay. Looks good. And this is just a scrap piece of paper. I was trying something new with my scrapbook paper, and this was one of, or actually no, I wasn't trying something new. I was making a cute box, school box for my daughter for her class. This is because I needed a quick way to store it and organize, so I took an old 24 pack and made it into a regular box. Now, if I'm correct, this should just fit right over top of this. Yeah, just no problem. Just so happened that my scrap pieces fit these spots pretty perfectly. All what's left is this little spot right here. And so we'll just take this Again, I'm just doing the whole fold and cut off business with this stuff just because that's how I want it. And it definitely makes it easier on the whole measuring aspect of this for these pieces when you can just cut it off and wham, you have it. There we go. We got them done. Now we gotta figure out our closure quick. And I have a bunch of this Velcro that I bought for my kids to use in their stuff, and it hasn't been used at all, so might as well use it for this. Then I was going to use it for something else, and then never ended up using it. So, and this tape that they use for this is extremely sticky, so I don't think I'm going to have any issue with it staying stuck. I'm going to have issues tearing this part off it, but there we go. Perfect. Again, it ain't that difficult to stick on and off. So, I think that actually turned out very well. Now, just trying to see what would work best. I kind of like this one. It's kind of floral. So this is the bead I'm going to use. It's kind of why I left it out. When you saw it yesterday, you were probably thinking, what the heck? Why has she still got the beads out from doing the flowers? This is why. So there we go. We got our ATC holder. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is what it turned out to be. I suppose I probably could have fit one more in there, but I chose not to. And again, that's perfect little holder for your ATCs, or even if, again, you have business cards. It might work great to use for business cards. But here is the original one I did. I did make quite a few mistakes with the original one. And here's the second one that I did with you. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. Have a great day or night. Bye.